Sorry to interrupt.
At the end of this video, I will give you a short update on my jasmine bonsai. Somehow it looks quite weird, but I will try to figure it out by cutting the long leaves. Finally, it starts looking miniature and natural. Now it's time for a little bit clearing. First, I will clear the root base and then remove the dead leaves. Some new shoots are coming. Now it's time to harvest. After 1 month, lots of new shoots are coming. This is going to be quite interesting in future. I will keep updating of this bonsai regularly. And now it's time for a little update of my jasmine bonsai. This is exact after 3 months after my last working on this tree. It starts with a tiny seedlings and transformed into this. To watch the full video, click the link in the top or check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to this channel.